Morning, guys. All right, so pretty much same deal as the other day. Started getting tired around 1 a.m. and it's now 6, so nice little 5-hour sleep session, and now I'm gonna finish out the drive. Got like 2 more hours to go, and yeah, that's it.
And 100 miles long drive inside a car. 200 miles long drive inside a car. 300 miles long inside a car. 400 miles long drive inside a car. 500 miles is a really long drive in the car.
All right, so just got to Missoula, Montana, and it's crazy being back here because when I was like 16, 17, my mom wanted to move here, and I did not want to come here at all. I just said no, and the only way I was moving is if she let me drop out of school. So I just wanted to drop out and skate all the time. So we made a deal and ended up moving here. And yeah, I was like 6 months I was here, and I just couldn't take it. Like, I couldn't. It was like an hour and a half to the closest town, and there was really nowhere for me to skate. And I don't know, I just wanted to be around who I grew up skating with and like pushing my limits and all that stuff. So it's tough when you're young, you know. I just couldn't really appreciate Montana because I was so young and just wanted to be around my friends. But yeah, so it's cool to be back here, a little older, and yeah, gonna go explore Missoula a little bit and hit up the skate shop. I think it's called Board in Missoula. So yeah, let's go cruise around. So you were born in the South and then moved up here?
Yeah, I was born in Louisiana, and then I moved to Georgia, and then Michigan, and then to Montana. So
How'd you like it when you moved here?
not too bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty different. I was kind of used to more of a bigger town and stuff. It's not like a great skate scene, but I mean, we just got a park about 10 years ago.
Mobash?
Yeah.
I was gonna go today.
Yeah.
It looks nice. And is that the only outdoor park around here?
Yeah, in Missoula, and then there's one in Kalispell and Whitefish, and then there's one in Billings and Butte. You can see our park in like videos for Anti-Hero.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think it's Destination Unknown. You can see our park in it, so it's kind of cool.
Trapdoor action.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so back in the beginning of the challenge, I learned 180 to fakie Smith grind. So I'm gonna try to learn that switch today. See if I can get it. So I wasn't able to get too much footage at that ramp, but that trick was pretty difficult for me to get. Just my body from the day before and then sleeping in the car was pretty sore. But yeah, psyched I got it. Right now I'm heading to Seattle. It's about 7.5 hours away. And then that's it. I'm done with the driving for the rest of the trip. I'll be flying to Alaska and then to Hawaii. So that's it. 3 more days. I'll see you guys tomorrow.